Welcome to The Point. It was a big day for Rhea Chakrabarti and all eyes will now be on her. Now, Sushant Singh Rajput's partner has no choice and will have to face the Central Bureau of Investigation. Why this gets interesting is because, ironically, it was Rhea herself who had first demanded a CBI investigation via social media. But it was the late actor's family accusing her instead of abetment to suicide, and then the Bihar police filing an FIR. Rhea demanded also the transfer of investigation. That is not happening, but she has no choice to face the CBI now.
In 65 days, Rhea Chakrabarti has gone from being perceived as a victim to a villain. Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend now stands accused of abetment to suicide, theft and cheating. Rhea had been living with Sushant since December 2019 and had left the actor just 6 days before his death. What followed was a big exposure of Bollywood's dirty picture, with top filmmakers being accused of blocking Sushant's growth and denying him film opportunities. The rage against so-called Bollywood mafia and charges of nepotism prompted Rhea Chakrabarti to demand a CBI investigation. Taking to Twitter 32 days after Sushant's death, Rhea appealed to Home Minister Amit Shah to initiate a CBI probe, saying she wanted to understand what pressures prompted Sushant to take this step of ending his life. In the days that followed, and as questions emerged about the mysterious circumstances surrounding Sushant Singh Rajput's death, Rhea found herself at the center of the storm. Sushant's family was clear that it was Rhea and her family that drove Sushant to suicide. Sushant's father approached the Bihar police that filed an FIR on 28 July, naming Rhea as the accused. The demand for a CBI probe was also made. Rhea was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate as Sushant's family accused her of siphoning off money from the late actor's accounts. Ironically, Rhea, who had sought a CBI probe herself on 16 July, less than 15 days later, wanted the investigation to be transferred to Mumbai.
I have immense faith in God and the judiciary. I believe that I will get justice. Even though a lot of horrible things are being said about me in the electronic media, I refrain from commenting on the advice of my lawyers as the matter is sub judice. Satyamev Jayate. The truth shall prevail.
The Supreme Court verdict ordering a CBI probe now comes as a major blow to Rhea Chakrabarti. In a statement released by her lawyer, Rhea said that she will appear and face the investigation as she had done with the Mumbai Police and Enforcement Directorate. Rhea maintains that the truth will remain the same, whichever agency investigates the case. Hopefully, the truth about Sushant Singh Rajput's death will be out, and soon. Bureau Report, India Today.
And joining me from Mumbai is my colleague Divyesh Singh. Divyesh has been tracking all the latest. Divyesh, while everybody has been talking about the family or the police or the political aspect of it, the fact is all eyes will now be on Rhea Chakrabarti. She has been at the center of controversy. What do you think this verdict possibly now makes the situation for her? She wanted the CBI probe, but also all investigation in Mumbai. How does this investigation change for her now?
Pooja, remember when Rhea Chakrabarti had gone on social media and demanded that a CBI probe should be done regarding Sushant's death or what drove the late actor to death. That time, the investigation was being carried out by Mumbai police. There were allegations of nepotism. There were allegations that there were some fake stories being planted. There was a camp that was targeting Sushant Singh Rajput. And that was the line of investigation being taken by Mumbai police, and various filmmakers, some top filmmakers, celebrities were questioned regarding the same case. After which, there was an FIR which was registered at Patna by KK Singh, father of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, where Rhea Chakrabarti was named as the prime accused. And the charges were very serious. Other than theft, wrongful confinement, there were charges of abetment to suicide and embezzlement of funds which was around 15 crore rupees, said to be embezzled from accounts of Sushant Singh Rajput and transferred to some fictitious suspicious accounts. So now, when Riya had demanded investigation from CBI in Sushant's case, it was that time the investigation was in some other terms. It was dealing with some other line of investigation. But now Riya becomes the prime accused, and that is why she'll face heat. She'll be questioned. She'll be grilled by CBI officials. This will be a fresh set of investigation which will be started by CBI officials. SIT has been formed by CBI, which will be reaching Mumbai tomorrow, and they will start investigation. And primarily, the prime accused will be summoned. She will be grilled. She will be questioned. Her statements will be recorded.
And is what you are telling us,
everyone
Divyesh,
associated
a fresh
with her.
beginning via the CBI. There will be many more angles that will now be explored, and the manner in which some of these prime suspects or accused as per the FIR are going to be now questioned as well. Divyesh, you will be tracking the CBI aspect now. Thank you so much for all the latest for now. Now remember, since that tragic demise, which is for 2 months now, the raging issue was jurisdiction of who really can investigate further in Sushant Singh Rajput case. Today, the Supreme Court settling that fight for once and for all, handing over the probe now to CBI. The verdict also that means comes as a big loss of face for Mumbai police, for the Maharashtra government, both having been accused of botching up the investigation and covering up glaring inconsistencies. Take a look at the special report.
After 2 months in the public eye, 2 months of a furious slanging match, 2 months of fighting tooth and nail to hold on to the reins of the investigation, the Mumbai police has suffered a huge blow today, with the Supreme Court yanking the Sushant Singh Rajput case file out of its hands and placing it before the CBI. In effect, the Mumbai police has been ordered to step back and play assistant to the CBI and help with anything that is demanded of it. The fight has been a fierce one. Initially, the Mumbai police dominated the proceedings by summoning a lineup of prominent faces for questioning. Meanwhile, the first call for the case to be taken away from the Mumbai police actually came from Sushant's girlfriend Riya Chakrabarti when she tweeted to Union Home Minister Amit Shah requesting a CBI inquiry. Then came the FIR registered by the Patna police on a complaint by Sushant Singh's father. This triggered the Mumbai police into a flurry of counters.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जो केस है उसको मुंबई पुलिस तहकीकात उसकी कर रही है और कोई भी हालत में सीबीआई को ये केस देने का कोई प्रश्न नहीं उपस्थित होता।
मेरी जानकारी के हिसाब से तो जुरिसडिक्शन हमारी बनती है।
What followed, however, was an acrimonious and ugly tug-of-war between the Patna police and the Mumbai police. Things came to a head when the visiting Patna superintendent of police was forcibly quarantined by the Mumbai police, sparking surprise and anger, and even finding an adverse echo in today's Supreme Court judgment.
आधी रात को जाकर के बीएमसी के पदाधिकारियों ने बिना उनका कोई स्पीडी एंटीजन टेस्ट किए हुए, चाहे जो रैपिड एंटीजन टेस्ट किए हुए, उनके हाथ पर ठप्पा मारकर उनको क्वारंटीन कर दिया।
कोई भी अगर बाय एयर ट्रैवल करता है तो उनके लिए अगर वो कुछ निश्चित काल में वापस जा रहे हैं उसको छोड़ के बाकी जितने भी केसेस हैं हर एक में होम क्वारंटाइन आवश्यक है। तो बीएमसी ने अपने रूल के हिसाब से कार्रवाई की होगी, आई एम श्योर, एंड बीएमसी विल एड्रेस दिस इशू।
When the Bihar government escalated matters and formally requested a CBI investigation, the Mumbai police and Uddhav Thackeray government dug in their heels, hitting back and insisting that the investigation would not be taken away.
कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो पर्दे के पीछे एक नया स्क्रीन प्ले लिख रहे हैं, पटकथा। वजह क्या है? कि वो चाहते हैं उस मामले का जो असली सच है वो छुपाया जाए, रहस्य छुपाया जाए, सामने ना आए, लोगों के सामने ना आए, इसलिए ये दबाव तंत्र और सीबीआई के कंधे पर बंदूक रखकर महाराष्ट्र के सरकार को निशाना बनाने की ये साजिश है।
With the chorus rising for a CBI probe, earlier this month, the Thackeray family broke its silence, with the Chief Minister's son and Minister Aditya Thackeray lashing out at the political undertones of the controversy. On the ground, however, the swell was clearly building against the Mumbai police. seen by some to have conducted a questionable probe in the case.
25 फरवरी को मैंने बांदा पुलिस को आगाह किया था कि मेरे बेटे सुशांत की जान को खतरा है, परंतु उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया। 14 जून को जब मेरे बेटे की जान चली गई तो हमने 25 फरवरी में नामित लोगों के विरुद्ध एक्शन लेने को कहा, परंतु 40 दिन के बीत जाने के बाद भी उन्होंने कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की।
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत प्रकरण में जिस प्रकार से जांच हो सकता है वो ईमानदारी से जांच कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन बाहर ऐसा परसेप्शन बना, हमको ऐसा दिख रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं ढिलाई बरती जा रही है। 2 महीने बाद भी आज तक मुंबई पुलिस ने साफ साफ नहीं कहा कि हुआ क्या।
The Mumbai police will find cold comfort in the Supreme Court observation that it has found no prima facie wrongdoing by the Mumbai police and that it can still investigate other aspects of Sushant Singh Rajput's death, considering that such an observation only amplifies the humiliation of this setback. For now, it must swallow the verdict and busy itself playing assistant to the CBI. The Supreme Court has left the Mumbai police no choice. Bureau Report, India Today.
But the late actor's family are clearly elated. They have been thanking the court and also the well-wishers and fans who had been campaigning for a CBI probe. Take a look at this report.
The Supreme Court verdict allowing CBI to probe the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput is a big boost for his family. Sushant's family, who were relentless in their demand for a CBI probe, said the top court's decision has reaffirmed their faith in India as a robust democracy. Sushant's sister, Shweta Singh Kirti, who was at the forefront of the campaign for a CBI probe, termed the court decision a victory of faith. In a series of tweets, Kirti said that the family has full faith in the CBI. She called the verdict the first step towards the truth.
तो हम परिवार की तरफ से आभार व्यक्त करते हैं उच्चतम न्यायालय का, करोड़ों लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करते हैं, तमाम चैनल्स का हम आभार व्यक्त करते हैं जिन लोगों ने इस मुहिम को यहां तक पहुंचाया, और अब आशा उम्मीद जगी हुई है कि सीबीआई जांच होगी तो निश्चित रूप से सुशांत को न्याय मिलेगा।
हम लोग आज बहुत खुश हैं कि चलो जो भी सुशांत के जितने भी फैंस हैं, जितने भी देशवासी हैं, करोड़ों लोग, वो आज उन लोगों के दिल में एक ये आस जगी है कि अब जो भी होगा सही होगा।
Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend Riya Chakrabarti, who is in the line of fire and is named in the FIR by Bihar Police, has welcomed the court judgment. Her lawyer Satish Manishande in a statement claimed it was Riya who first called for the CBI probe. He said Riya will appear and face the CBI investigation, and that case was transferred to the central probe in the interest of justice. With CBI now formally taking over the case, all eyes will be on the premier agency and the direction its probe will take in the coming days. Bureau Report, India Today.
And beyond the family, there was also a wave of jubilation among some of acquaintances, friends, a section of the film fraternity, and of course many fans who wanted the Supreme Court to hand over the death probe to the CBI. Take a look at all the reactions that have come in since the verdict came out.
Actor Sushant Singh Rajput's sisters, Shweta and Meetu Singh, have welcomed the Supreme Court's decision on Wednesday to transfer the investigation into the actor's death to the Central Bureau of Investigation or CBI. Sushant's father, KK Singh, had accused the actor's girlfriend, Riya Chakrabarti, of abetting his suicide, among other charges in an FIR registered in Patna. On Twitter, Shweta Singh Kirti wrote, and I quote, "There we go, finally, CBI for SSR." Sushant's former lady love, Ankita Lokhande, also reacted to the Supreme Court's decision on social media and posted the symbol of justice and wrote, "Justice is the truth in action. Truth wins. Hashtag first step to SSR justice." Kriti Sanan also shared a post where she requested fans to stop speculating and let the CBI do their work. She wrote, and we quote, "Last 2 months have been extremely restless with everything being so blurry. Supreme Court's order to let CBI investigate Sushant's case is a ray of hope that the truth will finally shine. Fingers crossed. Let's all have faith. Stop speculating and let the CBI do their work now." Apart from Ankita and Kriti Sanon, Akshay Kumar, who is currently in UK to shoot his upcoming film Bell Bottom, tweeted, SC directs CBI to investigate Sushant Singh Rajput's death. May the truth always prevail. Kangana Ranaut, who's been speaking out for Sushant and his family from day one, wrote, Humanity wins. Congratulations to each one of SSR warriors. First time I felt such strong force of collective consciousness. Amazing. Anupam Kher, who played Sushant's father in MS Dhoni The Untold Story, welcomed the verdict and posted Jai Ho, along with Madhur Bhandarkar, Neel Nitin Mukesh and Rakul Preet Singh. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
That's all for this show, and perhaps with this verdict it is hopeful that all the conspiracy theories and controversies may come to an end and investigation proceeds. Thank you so much for watching India Today. You can log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download the application on your phones. Take care. Thank you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.